I'm sitting here with Dr. Joan van Wijngaard. She's the founder of Vitan Products Skincare. Maar hierdie is 'n baie gewilde produk en is 'n hair pack. Why is it so popular?
Yeah, so suddenly we can't stay ahead with the sales of this product. The ingredients do come with science. Studies done in Spain on both of them. The one is a prebiotic and the other one helps shield your hair against the effect of stress. But we did a little consumer trial here in South Africa in one of the Facebook groups, and the results have been so good that we just can't stay ahead. I never realized so many people have issues with hair loss and their scalps as well. Sensitive scalp, itchy scalp, scalp conditions. So yeah.
Dames en mans of?
Yes, men and female, we're getting equally good results with both.
Okay. En hoe lank sal so 'n pakkie hou, want hier's 2 botteltjies in?
Yeah, so this is approximately 3 months. One container is 50 days. You apply a mole at night, you massage it into your scalp, then you leave it, and yeah, so this will sort you out for 3 months. Very easy.
Look at this. There you go. Thank you so much.